Besides using graphical client to connect to the database, we can also use CLI client directly within the terminal. And to launch this client, we can run PHP artisan db. And in here we can run all kinds of SQL statements, for example, to show the list of databases on this database server. Then to select particular database by its name, we can run use followed by database name. Then to show all the tables in the currently selected database, we can run show tables. And then to see the structure of the particular table, we can use describe command, like so. This command also receives table name that would like to see the structure of. And of course, all other commands for selecting, inserting, updating, and deleting rows can be executed from here. For example, to fetch all the data from the courses table, let's run select star from courses. And we're gonna get all the records from this table. So this is another way to quickly see the data from a particular table by using CLI client. And now let's review a couple of other commands also related to database. So if we would like to see the meta information about our current database connection, we can run db-show command. This command will show configuration of our connection as well as list of tables that exist in the database with their sizes. But if we're going to execute db-show command with the flag counts, in this case we're also going to get amount of rows in every table. And in order to see the structure of the particular table, we can use db-table command. This command accepts table name as an argument. Here we get the main information about this table, including all the columns and their data types. By default, Laravel supports different kind of databases, and configurations for those databases are stored inside database.php configuration file. And as you can see in here, we are fetching the data for a particular connection from the environment variables file by using env function. So basically this env function reads values of certain environment variables that are declared in .env file. As you may remember, this file also contains configuration values for database connection. And that's it for this lesson. We have reviewed a couple of additional commands in the terminal that allow us to work with database. And those commands are mainly used to check something quickly, but mainly we're going to use graphical client to work with database.